I'm Dr. Eugene Chiu. I founded Eureka Robotics Lab at Cardiff Metropolitan University. This is the first of the kind in Wales or in the UK. It's researching and developing service robots for hospitality. For example, you're looking at one of the first service robot in Wales that can serve customers, for example, can entertain the customers, speak more than 20 languages, so we can provide personalized customer experience while having a cup of coffee in the cafe.
A customer can interact with the robot, and my task is enhance experience for customer and talk with the robot. Actually, we have many features for customer, like customer give restaurant information like email. And if we want to get more information, it means the customer want to learn more about the restaurant.
We are doing experimenting at the moment, and we will see the outcome. And if this is the positive outcome, we will proceed to the next stage.
I feel like if it was definitely programmed correctly and interactive as it was, and also like knowing a lot about the allergies and like the nitpicky details that maybe some waitresses wouldn't know off the top of their heads, then yeah, it would be a good idea.
My students' projects is more on the customer servicing and recommendations part. For example, if there's a new customer come into the cafe, this robot can take a picture, a photo of the customer as a new customer registration and store in a cloud database. And when the same customer come back as a returning customer, the robot would be able to recognize the face. So in that sense, we plan to provide ultimately an enhanced experience of customers.
It's very attractive and people will fall in love with the robot.